Welcome to another episode of Good Cooking. And today we're on the front porch and we're closing out the summer series. And I know that's sad, but all good things must come to an end. But we're not going out without a bang. We're making an Italian barbecue Hall of Famer, the sausage ring. I'm gonna throw it on some garlic bread. All right, Ben, are you ready to see what the boys at Huntington Meats custom prepared for me? An East Coast treat, a ring of sausage, Ben, in a pizza box, because they wanted to make sure it was packaged really nice and it wasn't gonna get damaged. So I thought that was appropriate. They didn't check the box that says sausage as a topping. You know, I thought that would have been a leg, but it doesn't matter. Look at this.
Gorgeous.
You ever see this in Spokane?
Never.
I have no idea. This is bigger than your father's car rim. Woo! There's not only one, there's two. Look at this. Shout out to Blackstone and my little adventure-ready Blackstone. I should have got the bigger one. What are you gonna do? But shout out to the Blackstone. I mean, Blackstone, send us a little something. We're getting big on the socials. Big. Keep it on a medium heat and check it from time to time. You don't wanna burn the out of it. So when you do a ring of sausage, if they do it right, they put the skewers in it so that it's easy for you to flip. Just tell them that you want a ring of sausage, maybe show the butcher a picture. And it's a smaller ring gauge, so these are much thinner sausage. They'll cook up a little bit faster. You want to watch them, and they're great. You cut them up, put them on some Italian bread. We're gonna do some semolina bread with some garlic on it. Let's get a flip. Maybe, Ben, what do you think? Hold on. Before we do the flip, I need a sip.
Sip and flip. Here we go.
Oh my God. Ready for this bad boy? Oh my God.
Is there anything more Italian than grilling sausage in your front porch?
I absolutely love this. I have my beautiful wife, Lindsay, who is a big part of the show, sitting over there under a magnolia tree. We got the American flag. We got the plants. I mean, come on. I made a little mess back here. But, dude, this is heaven. By the way, is a Blackstone not a dude grill or what?
It's the dudiest grill.
Right? This is common ground for like guys at like a party. Like, oh, you use the Blackstone, right?
Yeah.
You know what I did? I woke up Sunday morning, no one was up. Made myself a whole f***ing breakfast on the Blackstone before the kids got up. Right? It's always a conversation
You
like
can
that.
make a milkshake and someone will go, but did you try it on the Blackstone?
Yeah. It's always two dads at a baseball game who are giving instructional videos on how to hit.
Right.
Meanwhile, they never played past 4th grade. They're like, yeah, you see, I keep telling John, you gotta step into it. You just keep it heavy. But I use the Blackstone. This is how the
But now what you really need, brother, is a Traeger.
You gotta tell, listen, last week the kid had games all weekend. Put the Blackstone with me. And you don't need any olive oil on this because all the sausage will create all of that oil for you. There's so much fat in there. This sausage that I'm using, it's called the Sicilian. We got basil in there, fennel. We got a little Parmesan Reggiano's in there, some parsley's in there. See these right here? This is what I love about a sausage ring, is you get to break little pieces off as you go along. Guys, nobody in LA is doing this. I'm in LA right now, the sun is beautiful, but nobody has a clue out here. It's Sunday afternoon, and everybody's waiting online to go to some lame brunch where they can get a $63 French toast. Right now, I'm in my front yard making sausage rings, and I'm gonna make that semolina bread with garlic bread all over it, and the grilled onions and garlic. Oh my God. They don't know. I'm trying to teach you people. I'm trying to teach the people walking by, driving by. No one's listening. Oh yeah, that's the one.
I think this is called the Queen Cinnamon Roll.
This is. If you're watching this, can you see all the oil that's coming off of this? I added no oil. All right, like I said again, this is gonna come right off of this. The helicopters. I can't get rid of the police helicopters are always circling. See that helicopter, Michael? It's been following me all day. I need you to stir the peppers. Stir the sauce, but we're making sausage and peppers. So as you can see here, this is getting close to done. Still got a little more time on this, but you got to see all the oil that's coming off of this thing, which is why I tell you, you don't need any oil. It's going to create its own. And you want to get it that nice golden color. If you want it a little bit more well done, just leave it on the grill a little bit longer. This is the color we're kind of going for. So this is going to be almost done here. When your sausage gets to this color here, I'm going to put it on the cutting board and wrap it up with some tin foil. Then we're going to make some grilled onions with some garlic in there, a little salt and pepper, and then we're gonna make some garlic bread. And I'm actually gonna do the onions right in the oil of the sausage. I mean, shut the front door. I gotta see what's going on the other side. I can't burn this. So what do I got here? Just a little yellow onion. What's wrong with that, huh? All that oil is straight off the sausage. You know how flavorful that's gonna be? I recommend doing it this way. This is also why it's great to do it on the griddle. Blackstone, you can use the oil. If you were doing it on the grill, you couldn't do that. Gives you great flavor. Let's taste one. Hot. Tastes like sausage. And that's a good thing.
My favorite flavored onion is sausage flavored.
Sausage flavored onion. All right, so once you get your onions, you know, this nice golden color, your garlic is golden brown, we're just gonna take them right out. All right, so I got my semolina bread. I got a little softened butter with some garlic and parsley, a little salt and pepper in there. We're just gonna smear it right on this. All right, I'm going on the grill. Not only that, I got a Blackstone cast iron press. I need like a little utility belt. Just all my Blackstone equipment. Oh my God, do you smell that garlic? Oh my God.
How many pounds of sausage do you think you've eaten in your entire life? You know how they say like 10,000 hours, you become an expert, right?
Yeah, I became an expert, all right.
I was gonna say, do you think that you've had 10,000 hours worth of sausage eating in your life?
It's like hot dog. How you doing, pal? There's the wife and kids. Good? Everyone good? Wow, that's hot as Hold on. So once your bread is toasted up, we're gonna start assembling that sandwich and woo, we're in for an afternoon. Listen to me. Are you in your backyard and you want to kick it up a little bit? Make a sausage ring. If you're from the East Coast, you know exactly what we made. If you're not, this is what guys on the East Coast propose to their fiancés with. Sausage ring. Now, they don't buy her a real ring, they give her the sausage ring. When all of the ingredients of that sausage come together with some sauteed onions, maybe you throw a little peppers and you throw it on some Italian bread, oh my God, you can't have a bad day. You go take a dip in the pool, you maybe smoke a cigar, you have a little drink, and you have a nice evening. If you want this recipe, as always, it's in the description below. And from my house to yours, bon appetit. I actually forgot how enjoyable it is to be on this thing.
Yeah?
It's cool, I get it.
Yeah.
I understand why guys get excited about this. And even women for that matter. Like Matt will call me up because he's in like, you know, he goes to his summer house. And he's like, yeah, I got up on Friday morning. It's like I had to make my daughter's project for school. I made it on the Blackstone. He's like, you got to do a book report. He's like, what if you just bring sausage?